The controversial draft Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 is expected to be gazetted anytime from now, most likely before Christmas, putting in motion a momentous process to extend President Emerson Mnangagwa beyond his 2028 second term constitutional limit to 2030. A cabinet minister has told the news orgs. The 2030 constitutional amendment soon. Government to gazette amendment bill by Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Reply to questions on when the bill is likely to come and attendant process involved. The minister who requested not to be named as that could preempt the plan said, "You have asked me a number of questions and they need time to reply to. But what I can say on the issue of the amendment of the constitution to implement our party ZANU-PF's resolution from the Bulawayo and Mutare Annual National People's Conference in 2024 and 2025 respectively is that the constitutional amendment bill will be gazetted soon, perhaps before Christmas on or during the festive season. The drafting by experts under the Attorney General and the Justice Minister's oversight has been done, and it now awaits going through Cabinet and then Parliament for gazetting. On the process, the Minister of Justice and Legal and Parliamentary Affairs, not me, is responsible for steering the bill through relevant government and parliamentary processes, but does not personally handle the final gazetting of the bill itself. The Minister of Justice, who is also leader of government business in the House, introduces the bill in Parliament and then manages the legislative process on behalf of the executive. Once Cabinet approves the final draft, the Justice Minister sends it to Parliament, which subsequently engages government printers to publish the bill. The Clerk of Parliament is the officer who formally has the bill published in Government Gazette. For a constitutional amendment bill like this one, Section 328 of the Constitution specifically requires that the precise terms of the bill must be published in the Government Gazette at least 90 days before its introduction into Parliament to allow for public debate and consultation. A general notice in the name of the clerk notifying this fact appears in the same issue of the Gazette. After that, the bill goes through the National Assembly and Senate debating processes and scrutiny. If the bill is passed by both houses, the Parliament with the required 2/3 majority, it is then sent to the President for assent. After that, if it is signed into law by the President, it is then gazetted as an act of Parliament. Amsoro aiwa peda uyema constitutional amendment arkunzi aiwa arikuya soon kuda kwa gazetted before or during the festive season. Kunyako message yemedu dzafungura ema today pamsoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like achito on the bell icon.